Hey, it's Albert here real quick with ClickFunnels support. We'll go over this. All right, so it looks like the issue is if you come in here and you scroll down, so it looks like these message boxes are really designed for HTML. All right, so when this actually displays on the page, it looks like that this HTML is causing an issue, and that's likely what's causing the address, that content at the bottom of the images that you sent to disappear. So this itself might be causing an issue. So the reason that is the unsubscribe HTML itself, this link itself, is actually meant for your SMTP area, right? So if you go into your SMTP, right, and then you go into your settings, that's why you have it here, right? So this is where it's meant to be, all right? So whatever automated emails that you send out, all the templates and everything else, this is automatically going to be at the footer of all your emails that you send out, right? Because what it looks like in your funnels right now, all your emails are set up through the automation process, through the automation tab, rather than, let me double check here, rather than going through an autoresponder, which would completely bypass the SMTP completely. It's not necessary if you have an autoresponder, right? So yeah, see, so you don't have any autoresponder going on here. So you're using the SMTP. So that means all the emails going out through the automation tab using your SMTP, it's not necessary for you to put that unsubscribe on the digital asset. Okay, so let's go back to your digital assets. So it looks like this is what's causing the issue, because these are digital assets. These boxes are designed to just mainly take text, right, rather than small bits of HTML code. All right. So what I would do to I saw the previous agent already sent this up and escalated it to our CX team, so they're going to dig into this deeper. That agent is offline right now, so I got your ticket from the queue. I just wanted to make sure you had some answer within a relatively short period of time. All right, so what I would do is go ahead and just remove this and test that out and see if that has an effect on whether the information disappears or not, okay? All right, so I hope that answers your question. Just remember, these boxes are mainly designed for just normal text, not any HTML. The areas that are ready for HTML, you'll see like when you come up here to your settings. Like when this isn't here, there's some grayed out letters and stuff in the background. And you can come through here, and we know that this area is specifically designed for this, right? You come up here, and when you go to the email settings previous to this, you have the webhook that's out here, and it is also in HTML. It's got some HTML to it. So there's just certain areas in the platform that are specifically designed to function with HTML, okay? All right, so if you have any more questions, just go and reach out, all right? I hope that answers your question. All right, take care.